Welcome guys. So in this demo I'll be showing you to how to create a demo, how to create a customer support agent using knowledge base and web search. And to demo this I am using this use case where let's say you want to make a bot for Stripe payments. So let's say user asks something like this: hey, how much Stripe charges per transaction? If you answer this question, you need to go to Stripe payments page documentation and actually see what is the actual charges. Or maybe a user asks that, hey, I need to refund a customer who's happy, how do I do that? So you need to basically again go to documentation, read it, and then do a web search maybe again to check that, hey, what is the process, and then reply to the customer. So this exact use case we are trying to solve here. So in this particular use case, we have one chat node which is um, as a trigger, and in there we have a AI agent. In the AI agent there are two tools we have attached. One is knowledge base. The purpose of this knowledge base tool is to get all the related information for Stripe payments, and the web search is like when knowledge base does not has the answer, web search we will do for the latest information. So let's not wait for a moment, let's go to knowledge base. So if we go to knowledge base, you can see there are a couple of sections here. One is web crawler. So the purpose of this web crawler is that if you want to crawl a website or crawl a URL with all the information in it, you can do this. So basically I have added a web crawler information with this one is the link, payments, and then there's FAQ. I have added few FAQs like what is the payment methods, and I've also added a few standard answers. What is the charges, how do I do this, how do I refund a customer, all those sort of things I've added. Again, this is a basic one, you can add more and more in it. Let's go back here. So since we have added knowledge base in this tool and then web search as well, if I go to the prompt section, if you can see in the prompt, this is pretty basic. We are saying payment support agent, this is your specialization, instructions are there, knowledge base have satisfactory answer to use the web search. If a LLM thinks that knowledge base does not have good answer, it would go to web search and then get the answers. Clear concise answers, all sort of instructions, and then there is a tone, professional format, all these there. And in the tool section also you can see the instructions are there, that how to use this, when this tool will be used. And we have added a knowledge base that we just created as of now. If I just save it again, let's go for web search. Instruction for web search tool is, hey, if you want to use the real-time web search, real-time information for this Stripe, you need to do this web search. Let's save this and let's try to answer these questions from ourselves. So what I'll do is I'll just copy this question first, how much charges, voila. So if I just paste it here, how much does Stripe charges per transaction? So it is saying that Stripe charges following fees: online credit card, in-person payment, and it has also given some sources. If I just go with these sources, so what it did is, ideally it should be going to knowledge base first, and I think knowledge base had little information, so it had also added the web search tool information in it and also appended few references to. Pretty nice, right? You don't have to go to individual thing and check it. Let's go to this. I need to refund this, and if I just search again, I need to refund a customer who's unhappy. How do I do that? Okay, so it also did this. Log into your dashboard, find the payment, select the payment, click refund, choose the refund amount, and it has pretty nice thing. So yeah, it used the knowledge base to answer this. Okay, let's go to another question. It is saying what is the difference between Stripe checkout and Stripe payment link. Okay, let's see how it answers this. So it is taking time. Okay, I think it gave pretty nice answer. Stripe checkout is this, Stripe payment link is this, summary is this, sources are this. So I actually did a web search to get all the answers. Pretty awesome.